Welcome back to my channel once again, and in today's tutorial we're going to talk about tuples or tuple or tuple. Okay, so tuples are used to store multiple items in a single variable, and it's also a built-in data type for Python. And one thing about tuples or tuples is that it's unchangeable or is immutable, meaning that when you cannot change, add or remove items from it once it is created. So assuming you want to create a list of items that shouldn't be mutable or changeable, you can use tuple to do that. Okay, so to create tuple, you will use normal brackets to do that. So I'll create my tuple. Okay, so my tuple is equal to, then into brackets, so you can use single or double quotes. So let's say I want to create a book, comma, pencil, comma, pen. Okay, so now that I've created, let me print it out. Okay, so to print out what you've created, you can use the print my tuple. Yeah, so now this is what we have. We've created tuple. So to access tuple, we can use this to access it, or we can use indexing to also access tuples, just like what we saw in lists. Okay, so here let's use the indexing method. So assuming that I want to find the third item in the tuple, I will need to use print my tuple, then you call the index. All right, so the index 2 is pen, so index 0, book is 0, pencil is 1, then pen is 2. If I want to print index 0, I'll just change this to 0. So basically this is how we can create tuples in Python. And as I said, tuples are immutable, so we can remove or add to tuples. All right, so the last thing that I want to talk about in tuples is joining two tuples. Okay, so here I'll create another tuple. So second tuple, which is equal to, into brackets, so house, comma, school, comma, workplace. All right, so to know what is inside this tuple, I'll just print it. So second tuple. All right, so this is what we have as our second tuple, and the task is to combine them. So we can use from above here, we can just use I'll just make a copy of this. I'll come here and paste it, then I'll just call. As a programmer, you should be familiar with copy and paste so that you save yourself a lot of time. All right, so you need to work smart. So now to combine all my tuples, I will just do this using the plus operator. So I'll print this, and this will give me a combination of all the tuples. So if I want to print them by index, I can just do so. Now let's print index number 4 and see what we get. Alright, so now we have school as index number 4. Okay, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct. Right. So thank you for watching.